Second opinion, my Whirlpool refrigerator is knocking. Sounds like someone is knocking at the door. It has been doing it for over 4 years. Yes. Years. But I can't take it anymore. I obviously know that it is nothing drastic cause it works fine. But I don't want to pay a fortune for something simple.
Do you know the model of your Whirlpool fridge?
ED5 Faxel 00.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
4+ years. We took the back panel off, cleaned out the dust, and just made sure everything looked legit.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We moved it 4+ years ago. It was already making that noise. But oh, I have never changed the filter.
Hello, welcome to Just Answer, an independent paid question and answer web portal. I am Brandon with 19+ years of experience and will try to do my best to help you today. Please note, premium service requests are auto-generated and communication through chat is fine with me. I am sorry to hear that you are having trouble. I know that can be frustrating. Hopefully, we can get this resolved quickly. When and for how long do the sounds occur?
Random. About 6 times a day. Lasts for 30 seconds.
Let me check your diagrams and see which damper and fan style you have. The ice maker or the compressor would be the only 2 things on your model that could make a knocking sound. The damper on yours doesn't move or have a motor. The fans run anytime it's on, so knocking from them would be a lot more often. My suggestion, turn the ice maker off for 24 hours and see if the knocking stops. If it doesn't, it's in the compressor and that isn't worth repairing for a noise. If it's in the maker, that likely would be, and I can provide parts and replacement instructions for repair. The compressor should be more than 6 times a day, but I have heard them randomly not make a knocking sound. The ice maker again should be more than 6 times a day also, but I doubt you set and watch it, so it's possible that you're missing some of the times it cycles.
I YouTubed, looking for the same info. It had a video of a bad compressor making noise. It isn't that noise. Lol. So, how do I turn the ice maker off?
On the right-hand side of the freezer there is a blue slide switch that you can move to the off position and shut it off. Leave it about 24 hours. I won't say the YouTube video is wrong, but I will say compressors all can make different sounds. The motor is mounted on springs, and if a spring is worn, it can cause knocking. Depending what part and how it's hitting it can vary in sound. But I do know for sure the fans are out, the damper is out, defrost wouldn't occur 6x a day, and that only leaves the compressor, ice maker and water valve.
Thank you so much. Makes sense. I will explore and see what happens. Oh, and yes. Probably way more than 6 times a day. Maybe every 15 to 30 minutes, female sign.
Just report back, and I'm happy to help further.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.